The Proco Series 700 ProFlex Rubber Check Valves are a cost-effective way to control back pressures from sewage treatment plants, outfalls, and tidal operations without the need for maintenance, outside sources of power, or manual assistance to operate. The ProFlex 710 and 730 are full-port concentric design rubber duck-bill check valves. Designed to attach directly to existing flanges or new installations, they can be supplied with many different configurations, fitting onto any sized pipe. The unique advantage to these valves is their very low cracking pressure and are often referred to as the lowest head loss valves in the industry. The ProFlex 710 TT is a powerful alternative to traditional mixing systems. Its patented torsional design creates a unique spinning motion for 100% mixing capabilities without any moving parts. With no mechanical components to service, it delivers reliable performance with zero maintenance required. The ProFlex 730 coarse bubble diffuser delivers powerful mixing and oxygenation by releasing large bubbles which rise quickly from the tank floor. Designed for vertical or angled installation, it ensures the ideal position for optimal aeration. Built tough to withstand freezing conditions, it's low maintenance, cost-efficient, and provides reliable backflow protection. The Proco Style 711 and 731 ProFlex check valves are designed for installation on pre-existing or new pipelines, such as manholes, outfalls, or vaults, where the outfall invert of the pipe is close to the floor of the manhole or outfall. They can be engineered into the pipe layout with little concern for outfall clearance due to its low slope design and ensures 100% drainage. The ProFlex 720 flanged and 740 slip inline rubber duckbill check valves are designed to fit directly inside an existing pipe. The unique advantage of these valves is that they can be slipped inside the pipe and installed either between existing pipe flanges or using an expandable clamp, eliminating the need for a valve body. The ProFlex 750 is designed to be the answer to any enclosed body check valve requirements for slurry and sewage applications. It requires no external power sources, thereby making operation costs obsolete. The valve's unique design means there are no mechanical parts to break down or wear, therefore reducing maintenance costs. The ProFlex 770 and 780 wafer-style inline rubber check valves are designed to be installed between two mating flanges and offer space-saving dimensions as opposed to other flap-type check valves. With a metal or plastic orifice plate and a rubber disc, these valves are ideal for providing high back pressure capability on clean water applications. The ProFlex 790 low head loss inline rubber duckbill check valve can be installed without having to do any modifications to existing structures or costly pre-install planning. Designed as an all-one-piece constructed valve, the Style 790 is one of the lowest head loss valves on the market. A passive flow device ensuring no worry or concern for pipe blockages and ensures full flush design. For higher pressure and vacuum requirements, most of the ProFlex series can also be manufactured using a unique internal vacuum support. The Proco ProFlex Series 700 check valves, the #1 choice for backflow prevention.